start with the name of Allah, the Almighty and the Most Merciful. When you trust Allah, you will be never disappointed in all the difficulties and problems. He will be next to you. He will never leave you. Allah will give you something better than what was taken from you. People will always break your heart. Turn to Allah. He will always be there for you. When everything seems to be against you, remember, Allah is with you. If you are helping someone and expecting something in return, you are doing business, not kindness. Never underestimate the power of prayer. One small prayer can change your life dramatically. Never hate your haters, but respect them, because they are the ones that think that you are better than them. Life gets harder every day. Your friends may leave your side. Your family may leave your side. But remember, Allah will never leave your side. The quality of your thinking determines the quality of your life. Most beautiful way of filling your heart with happiness is to fill it with the remembrance of Allah. Two things to remember in life. Take care of your thoughts when you are alone, and take care of your words when you are with people. Allah knows your dua inside your heart before you can speak it. If you can't word it together, ask Him to grant what's in your heart.